This oil can is over 60 years old, and this is how oil used to come in. It was in this can right here, and it is absolutely crazy. We made a video about this, but my good friend Pat with Pat's Garage Online, he has his own YouTube channel. It's the guy that I bought my NSX from. He sent me this, and this was his father's. This was in his garage, and he used this. And this is what you use to open this and also to pour it. It's a can opener. It's a spout. And we're gonna show you how it works. We're gonna pierce the can and then we're gonna pour some oil out. But this is really neat because back in the days, this originally came out in the 1930s, and this is what gas stations and auto shops had. This is what they used to open this. And of course, when oil came into plastic bottles, these weren't necessary. So this is a crazy part of history, and it's really neat. So let's go ahead and use it. So when we look at this device, I feel like, I'm back in the future, back in the 1960s and 50s. This pointy part right here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect that to the can and then we're gonna pierce it. And the fluid should come down here and come out through here. So when we look at our can, if you think about a typical can of peas, it's the same kind of setup here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're going to put this like this, and then we're gonna push down on it. We're gonna go ahead and push down, and it went in there really smooth. And now, if you look at this, it's in there flat, this is flush against it, and we're now going to pour the oil out. And this is what they did, guys. They poured the oil out, and that actually works really well. And when all the oil was out, of course, when they were done, all they had to do was remove this, and then they could throw away the can. And look at that, it left like a little perfect opening there. That was so cool. As a car nerd, I absolutely love that. Again, this is about 60 years old. This is how oil came, and this is how they opened it and poured it. And I think it's so neat. And again, thank you, Pat. When he saw that I bought this on eBay and I did a video on it, he sent me this one, and this one belonged to his father. And it's an amazing shape, and I really appreciate it. I also like that it says Japan on here, because I'm a JDM guy, which is kind of cool. And this one's in great shape. Just to think of how far the automotive world has come, from cans like this, openers like this. And also, if you think about it, they used to make things to last, because look at this. This is 60, 70 years old. It still works perfectly, still looks good, and it actually works really, really well instead of getting a fondant door and all the stuff that you have to do now. So, wow, a blast from the past. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. We appreciate you watching. You take care, and we'll see you soon.